Hey, I'm Greg. We're going to show you how to adjust your Multidynamics Type 2 full brim safety helmet. There's a lot of ways that you can adjust this. There's different heights, and then there's different things that you can do with your chin strap to make it comfortable to yourself. We're going to walk around how we do this to the product. When you get it out of the box, your ratchet's going to be tucked neatly in here, so it's going to be free floating. One thing you're going to do is remove your chin strap, pull it off to the side. You'll see that there are two locations for the ratchet to rest. Try it onto your head, see which one is the most comfortable. Ensure that when you set it, you just press it in the hole. And ensure that it's in the same hole on both sides. And then adjust the ratchet for you. How to adjust the chin strap for the most comfort. What you're going to do is you're going to first put the helmet on. You're going to find where it's most comfortable around the chin. And then you will pull the webbing to make sure that it's snug but not too tight. You can then adjust the section that fits around your ears. And how you do that is simply pull on the middle. You'll gain some slack in the earpiece. If you need to move the ear centered back, what you'll do is you'll take however much of this, take this slack, move it to the side. As you can see, the center is now towards the rear. If you want to move it back, pull over how much you want to adjust, grab the triangle, move it back towards the front, and then you see it's more centered towards the front. Now every head is a little bit different, so you're going to have to find the adjustment point that works best for you. Once you find the adjustment point for that, you will have excess webbing in your chin strap, and we have a keeper here. So what you'll do is you will slide your keeper all the way down. If you still have excess webbing, there's an additional keeper at the end, and you can weave it through that. That way there's nothing hanging on. Once you have it fully adjusted, you're ready to go to work. Minimal adjustments are needed from time to time. You're ready to go. If you'd like to know more about our full brim safety helmets or our climbing style or any of our PPE or fall protection products, find us at multidynamics.com.